Hello and welcome, I'm Jason Wallace, graphic designer for the College of Arts and Sciences. In this video, I'm here to help you edit a single image to be most compatible with the Omni website platform. For this tutorial, I'll be using Adobe Photoshop. However, these steps are simple enough that nearly any image editor will do. Omni has a few requirements regarding images: file name, file size, and dimensions. The file name must be all lowercase and have no spaces in it. I recommend using hyphens or underscores instead. The file size must be less than 1 megabyte. The image dimensions depend on how they're going to be used. The most common size for Omni is 1280 by 960 pixels. Some snippets on the website may use other sizes, and those standards are available from OSU Brand Management. Let's dive in. Open the photo in Photoshop. Next, we'll crop the photo. Use the crop tool. Either click the icon in the toolbar or press C on your keyboard. The options for the crop tool will appear along the top, and we'll configure it to use a ratio of 4:3. A box will appear around the image, and you may adjust it as you see fit. When you're happy with the result, press Enter. Now let's save the photo. This method also allows us to resize the image, making it easy for us to do two things at once. Go to the File menu, choose Export and Export As. The export window will open with options. Choose these options: file format of JPEG, quality of 80%, image size with a width of 1280 and the other number of 960 will automatically fill in. Click Export and save to your computer. Save it with all lowercase names and use either hyphens or underscores instead of spaces. And that's one photo. Now you're ready to upload it to Omni and use it on your website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact me. Thank you.